And we're going to continue working with this, what is solving equation with variable on each side. Okay, the last one was number 8. Okay, you already got this. Again, guys, your goal is to find what value x here, what value x here, and what value x here. You can substitute and make these two assignments true. Guys, that is quite difficult. In this case, I don't know how to do it mentally. That's why we're going to use algebra to solve this. Okay, we got these guys. We got parentheses. Guys, I need to get rid of the parentheses first. If you can notice, this parenthesis guy, x minus 3, it's something that is not, I mean, I cannot simplify. It's already, I cannot say x minus 3 or what is that? No, guys, I cannot simplify it. That's why I need to use the distributive property. I'm going to copy exactly what I got, guys. In this case, I got 2x, and I'm going to use distributive property right in here. Okay, let's use distributive property. This times this. What is negative 5 multiplying x? Negative 5 multiplying x.
5x.
5x.
And what is, now let's continue. Distributive property again. Negative 5 multiplying 3. 5 times 3 is 15.
15.
15, negative 15.
Positive 15.
Positive. Yes, positive 15.
Are the same, they're gonna be positive. Negative and negative moment that the same way, positive. And let's move on. Let's move on here. We're gonna copy this equal sign. And again, distributive property times x is 2.
2x.
2x.
It's gonna be 2 times negative 10. 2 times 10 is
20.
20, negative 20,
Negative.
negative, because positive.
just got rid of the parentheses.
Negative.
Correct. And you will have to get the variables on one side, variable terms on one side, and constant terms on the other side. I'm gonna let the variables right here, guys. 2x, this one, I just get it down. The negative 5x, guys, I'm gonna get it down. I don't change it, guys, because I'm just rewriting it. I'm not changing the sign. Okay, this one is on the right side, guys. If I need to move it, what's gonna happen with the 2x?
Negative 2
Negative
x.
Negative 2.
very much. I don't have any other x anymore. I'm gonna write equal. And then this negative 20, guys, I can just get it down. Negative 20, guys, a blue one, negative 20. And let's look for another constant term. Another number here. Oh,
15.
15,
15 on the other side, the green one is plus
Negative.
negative,
Negative.
15. Okay, negative 15. And I got it. Variables in one side, numbers on the other side, constant terms. Now we can simplify. 2 apples minus 5 apples minus 2 apples. What is that equals to? You can do it.
Negative.
I can do it.
Negative 1.
Notice this, guys. 2x minus 2x, this is 0, right? I can do it in this way, guys. Okay, 2. Okay, what I'm gonna get? Just a negative.
X. We're gonna get negative 1.
Equals this, negative 20 and minus 15. We got the same sign. We need to add the numbers. 20 and 15, guys. 20,
35.
35.
and I copy
Negative.
negative. Guys, x is not alone. Let's leave it alone. Okay, this negative 35 here. What is going to happen with this 5 that is multiplying?
Mr. Y is negative 35.
Negative 5. It's dividing, guys. You take it with the sign.
Yes. Yes.
You take it with the sign divided. And then let's simplify this. X is going to be equals to what? Negative and negative is going to be positive, right? Mom, negative. That negative, the same way, the relationship is going to be positive. And 35,
Mr.
tell me.
Mr. Diaz.
I hear you. Tell me. Can you hear me? Someone is asking me why I didn't change the negative into positive. Guys, I repeat. We changed, guys. For instance, this positive 5 was positive 5. The 5 is adding. Basically, the other one is going to be dividing. Okay, that's why adding into dividing. This is negative 5, but guys, you need to take the negative 5 with its signs, exactly as it is, because if you don't take the negative, what is going to happen? You let the negative x here, and you don't want to get a negative x. You take it exactly like it is. You don't have to change the sign, guys, when dividing or multiplying. You change it when adding or subtracting. You take it exactly as it is, as a negative 5. And then this 35 divided by 5 is going to be what?
6.
7, right?
Positive.
7. Negative and negative here is going to be positive. I don't need to write it, by the way. And this is going to be my solution. Okay, we're going to say this is our solution. And it's done. If you substitute 7 here, 2 times 7 minus 7 here, and 7 here, this is going to be true. Let's move on. Here we go. Number 9. Again, what is the value for m and m here so I can make this both statement true? So first of all, guys, again, Mr. I got a parenthesis. I start off working with that. Okay, I'm going to solve this. Let's copy this 5 and let's use distributive property. Negative 3 multiplying m is negative 3m, right?
3M.
And then let's multiply 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is going to be 12. Positive or negative? One is negative, the other is positive. Relationship is going to be negative. Equals, in this case, guys, m minus 7, I just copy it, okay? Because it's exactly the same thing. Again, now you have no parentheses. Then, guys, move the variables to one side and numbers to the other side. Okay, this negative 3m is right here. I only copied. Do I have another m? Another monkey right here? Yes, this
Yeah, we have in this side.
m.
Yes.
1m, guys. If I move it to this side, it's like I'm subtracting negative m. Okay, I'm going to say negative m equals the negative 7, guys, is on this side. I just get it down. Do I have another constant term?
Yeah.
5.
And
5.
it's positive. On the other side is going to be negative 5. Do I have another constant term?
Yes.
Yeah, 12, negative 12,
12.
negative positive.
Going to be positive 12 on the other. Okay, this is your goal. Numbers, variable terms in one side, and constant terms on the other. Okay, here, guys, Samantha asked me, Mr. I don't have any number here. In this case, guys, if you don't have the number, that means that it's 1. Okay, you have a 1m here. Okay, if you have negative 3m minus 1m, Mr., we have the same sign. Okay, we add. Okay, let's add. 5, 3
Will be negative 4m.
is 4. And we copy the sign, which is negative. Negative 4m, monkeys, equals. And here, guys, you can do it in as you want, whatever order you want to use. In this case, you can say 12. I always start with the positive. 12 minus 5. That is
7.
7, right? And 7 minus 7.
0.
Sorry, but I'm confused
Mister, why do
with one
we
number.
addition first?
It's the same. It's the same. You can do it as you. If that,
Mister, is that always I don't know where you get a number.
what
How the 12? What you divide or subtract or what
this negative 12 in this side, your goal is to have the variables in this side, the letters in the side, and the numbers on the other side. In this case, this negative 3m, I just got it down. Do I have another m? You said, there is an m here on the right side. I move it and I change the sign. It was positive, now it's negative. And equals negative 7. I just got it down. It's exactly as it is. And you look for another number. Do we have another number here? Yes, the 5. Okay, this 5 on the other side is negative 5. Do we have another number? This negative 12. Okay, this negative 12 on the other side is going to be what?
Positive 12.
positive?
On one side, on the other side. This addition, guys, you can do it in different order. You can say this and this plus 12 or as you want. Take a look. I have negative 7, negative 5, and plus 12. If you want to solve this first, no problem. Let's solve this. Negative 7 plus minus 5. We have the same sign. Okay, we copied the sign and we add the numbers. 7 and 5 is 12. And then I
12.
the other 12. What is 12 minus 12?
0.
0.
But if you want to make it in a different order, as I did, okay, sorry. If you want to make it in different order like this, take a look. What I did, guys, was this. 12 minus 5. What is 12 minus 5? I just got this.
7.
This is positive 7, right? Because the biggest one,
Yeah.
okay, positive 7. And what is 7 minus 7?
0.
Zero.
And 0 doesn't have sign.
It doesn't have sign, correct? It's 0, guys. Okay, you can do it in different order. It's exactly the same. Then, let's let the m alone because m is not alone. Okay, 0. This negative 4, again, be careful with this. This negative 4, guys, is multiplying. What is going to be doing the negative 4 exactly as it is?
Dividing.
And 0 divided by negative 4, guys, is 0. 0 divided by
0.
0. Then the answer, guys, is going to be 0. This is our solution. If you substitute 0 here and 0 here, this is true. You can check it out. We have 5r over 2 minus 6 equals 19. My goal, guys, is to let the variables on one side, okay? 5r over 2, I just copied. Do I have another variable, r? No.
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 No,
No, we don't have.
fine. Okay, this 19, guys, I just get it down, 19. And the only number that is pissing me off is the negative 6. On the other side, it's going to be positive 6. Correct. Then, guys, let's simplify. 5r over 2 equals this. What is this equals to, guys?
25.
25.
Equals 6 is 25. Now, guys, here is the kicker. Mr. R is not alone. Okay, I know that. I know, but how can we solve that? R, okay, let me copy this. 25. Okay, Mr. This fraction, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Don't worry. Okay, what is the problem? The problem is that you got two numbers. I'm going to raise one.
We have to divide.
Let's suppose,
Multiply.
We have multiply because we have division.
okay, sorry. This is not what I meant. Okay, let's suppose that you only have the 5. The 5 is multiplying. What is gonna be doing this 5 on the other side?
Divide.
The 5 is going to be divided.
Mul-
Then, but what are you gonna do? What was the number here, guys? It's a 2, right? What is it 2 doing here?
Yeah.
Dividing, right?
Yeah. So we have to multiply.
This number is what's gonna be. Okay, this is what you're gonna do, guys. Okay, let me raise this, guys. Let me raise this. This is just an informal idea of what to do. First of all, guys, the 5, you say, mister, this 5 is multiplying, okay? On the other side is gonna be dividing. Okay, this 2 is dividing. On the other side is gonna be multiplying. Correct. The point means multiplication. If you want to use parentheses, it's okay. Then, guys, let's solve that. 25 times 2
50.
over 5. And what is 50?
It would be 10. 10.
10. Correct. And that is our r equals 10. Guys, it's pretty simple, right? Again, if you got something like this, guys, just take one at a time. The 5 is multiplying. 5 is divided. The 2 is divided. On the other side, it's going to be multiplying. Pretty simple. We have 20.
Is an A, mister?
Variable a. 22 minus a over 3 equals to negative 7 over 5. Guys, in order to solve this one, we have different steps. So which one are you going to use, or how many ways, which path are you going to take in order to solve this, guys? There are different. Let me think about one. Okay, first of all, what is pissing you off, guys? Mister, the thing that we got this fraction, let's erase it.
3.
This 3. And this 5. Okay, that is the only thing pissing me off. If I wouldn't have, if I would have, if I would not have had this, si no habría tenido this. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Okay, this is what is pissing me off, right? Okay, because now it's simpler. Okay, let's get rid of these two numbers, guys. Let's get rid of these two numbers. This is 3 and 5. Let us copy this. I'm going to copy the numerator, 22 minus a, this is the variable a, equals negative 7. Guys, first of all, this 3, guys, what is this 3 doing in the left side? Is fraction. Okay, if I
Dividing.
side, what is going to happen? 3, guys?
Multiply.
It's divided on the other side is gonna be
Multiply.
Multiplying.
but guys, this 5, I mean, this 5 is right here. You can leave it right there because that 5 is not pissing you off. Now, or, I mean, let me think about that. Okay, I'm going to leave the 5 here, okay, because the 5 was here, right? -7, 5. That 3 was multiplying on the other side, dividing, sorry, on the other side is going to be multiplying. What I did is just moved this 3, guys. Now, take a look that this is simpler. Okay, now I'm going to let the variables on one side. Okay, I'm going to copy this. 22 minus 8 equals, and let's try to solve this, guys. What is this, guys? It's a multiplication of fractions. I
Yes.
have one here. Let's do it. 7 times 3
21
over
One.
over 5.
positive or negative. One is negative and that is negative, right?
It's negative.
Negative. Guys, we're almost done. Now, variables on one side and numbers on the other side. It's going to be here. Do I have another A, guys? No, right? Just one. I leave it like that. Okay, let me copy this. -21 over 5. Do I have another number, guys?
Yes.
Positive 22.
Yes. 2.
2.
Other side is going
That will be negative, right?
Negative.
and guys, we're almost done. Let me copy this. -3. I want this.
Mister, I don't hear you.
Hear me?
No.
No.
I lost my microphone. Okay, I was trying to tell you guys. Okay, I just moved the +2 to the other side, -2 and a 2. And then, guys, this is a fraction that I need to solve. I need to solve this fraction, guys. Can someone tell me, okay, mister, this is not a fraction. Let's add 1. Okay, let's solve this, guys. I need to find out the least, they are different denominators. I need to find the least common denominator. What is the, let me move on just a little bit here. What is the least common multiple of 5 and 1, guys? 5, 10,
10, mister.
etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the least common multiple?
10. 5.
5. 10 is
5.
5.
but 5 is the least one. Okay, the least common multiple, guys, is 5. Okay, then, guys, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say 5 is the least common multiple. 5, I'm going to make it in red. Okay, 5. And then, guys, what do? We divide and we multiply. Divide here and we multiply. Let's do it. 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1.
1.
And 1 multiplying -21. 1 times 21.
Negative 21.
Okay, it's -21. Let's move on. The next will be 5 divided by 1. 5 divided by 1 is 5.
5.
5 times 22. Oh, 5 times 22, guys, is 110.
110. Yes.
100
It's negative, right?
negative. Okay, this is negative. Okay, it's going to be negative. Okay, negative 110. And that's what we got, guys. Let's move on. I need a space here. I need to solve.
Mister, why is one?
Uh-huh. Why is 100?
Why is 110?
Okay, I'm dividing. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 21 is -21 because of this negative. Then 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 times 22 is 110, negative 110. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Times 22 is 110. Let's continue. Negative A. Then, guys, let's simplify this. -21 minus 110. We have the same sign. We copy that sign and we add the numbers. 110 and 21 is 130 over 5. Can we simplify that, guys? 131 divided by 5 is a decimal. No. Let's leave it like that. Okay, guys. Is A.
How we get 131, mister?
Okay. 131. Is this correct, guys? 110 and 100. Yeah, right. Okay, done.
Yeah.
A is alone, guys. Is A alone?
No, we have the negative.
No, we have the
We
negative.
have this negative. Is like we have a negative 1, right? Okay, guys, that negative 1 is multiplying. I'm going to move it to the other side. 131 over 5. I'm just copying what I got. Okay, this negative 1, guys, this negative 1, guys, I'm going to move it to the other side. It's dividing, multiplying, sorry. It's multiplying. On the other side, it's going to be
Dividing.
Dividing.
you can put it here, guys. You can put it here times negative 1. Okay, I just put it on the denominator because the denominator is division. Okay, you can use parentheses if you want. I just moved this negative 1, which is multiplying. On the other side, it's going to be divided. Let's simplify. What is A going to be equals to? 131. The 5 times 1, guys, this is going to be 5. Okay, this is the same, right? This is still 5. Okay, 131 over 5. But it's negative, right? Because of the negative 1 here. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Negative and negative, guys.
Positive.
Okay, the answer is going to be positive. That is the only thing that it convert that into positive. And this is my solution, 131 fifths. Let's have a look at another example. Have a look at this one, guys. First of all, you're going to see, Mr. What is pissing me off, guys? Just get rid of what is pissing you off. This 14, guys, is not pissing me off. I will copy. The 6, neither n. Okay, what is pissing me off, guys?
Negative 2.
This
Negative 2.
This negative 2 is dividing because it's on the denominator, divided. What is this 2 going to be doing on the other side? This negative 2. It is divided. On the other side, it's going to be
Multiplying.
multiplying. With the sign, guys, negative 2, exactly as it is. With the sign. Okay? Then, guys, let's solve this. What is 14 times negative 2? 14 times 2 is 28. One is positive, the other is negative, then
Negative.
negative. And I just copied 6 plus n. Again, Mr. The variable is on the right side. No problem, guys. It's the same. Leave it here. What is pissing me off here, guys? What is pissing me